in the capital city of Namibia, you find Bio Auto Customs. These guys are located in Katutura, Greenwell, Evelyn Street, just opposite the Shell service station. And I can assure you guys, these guys are good at upgrading your headlights. You need them. Visit them and check out their work on their Instagram pages. These guys, they do restoration, modification, and also just any other accessories, including the cleaning up and also fitting your car with new headlights. Guys, look at this work. You see, it's all love and it's all hard work being put into making sure that their customers are fully satisfied. Look at that Golf 60 SI. The job has already been done. The 7R came in for a restoration and a cleanup. Guys, I can assure you, I can testify, I have seen their work. I've been there, me personally. And they also do sunroofs. They can service the sunroof and also cut in a new sunroof in any vehicle. Make sure you make a 10 to their Instagram page. You can check them up. And they've also opened a new branch in the north, in Oshakati, just besides Taurus, just close to the traffic lights. You'll see them. And also, guys, make sure you check out their Instagram, check out their work, and also just DM them for their prices. And yeah, so you get familiar with the prices. Take your car there and get it fitted with those new headlights. Stop the candle lights. Otherwise, guys, check you in the next video. I'm gonna drop their cars and also some sound checks and drives. Until next time, it is ciao.